welcome back to my channel. This is a quick and simple example of zooming in, zooming out. You can do this on video, or on this occasion we're going to use a normal still image. So I'll put your image into your timeline, which I've done here. Make sure it's selected, which it is. Press on inspector on the right hand side. That'll bring up a videos, audio and effects pane. You want to make sure you're on video and make sure you're in transform. So go to the part in the video, or the picture in my case, where you want to start. Press your right hand side diamonds, zoom and position. And make sure on the video, bottom right hand corner, you see this little diamond that's in black. Press that, that will now come white, and it'll give you your transform pane. And you'll notice that you've got a slight small white diamond or circle at the bottom. That's your starting point. So then we want to go further down, and now we want to zoom in there. So to do that, we want to hit on the diamonds on the right hand side on the transform part. That'll give you another diamond, but with this we want to zoom in. So use the Y on the right hand side, and then we'll zoom in. You can use the X as well, that will help you to move in left or right. Sorry, zoom in a bit more, and then use your position to go where you want to. So you can move it up and down, left and right. So, but I'm quite happy where that is. We'll zoom in a bit more, and then we'll move that down. As you can see, that's perfect for that little bit of pond water, as you like. So now we're going to move forward a little bit. We want to stay there, but what we want to do is press on that one that's there at the moment, and we want to move it along your scrubbing, your timeline, and then press it again, and that's telling it that that's where you want to finish the zoom in position. So you got to start, which is here, and then finishes there. So now you want to zoom out, and to be able to do that, what you want to do, instead of messing around with your transform in this top right hand part of the inspector, we can select the first one. But before we do that, we want to go across to zoom out. So I don't want to go too far out, but what we're going to do is go there. It's going to be a slow zoom out, so reverse zoom. So you press your first diamond or circle, whichever one you've got on your screen, press Control and C, and now press Control and V. So what that's done is it's copied the first diamond or circle of the transform at the beginning, and then it's pasted it at the end. So now you'll see one where you finished, where you put your timeline. So if you move back, you'll see that it zooms out, zooms along, and then zooms back in. Vice versa, should I say. So now when you press play, you've now got a simple zoom out, zoom in, and zoom out. Nice and slow. Now, what you can do with this is you can change the speed of that by moving your diamonds along. So you can make it even quicker. So let's press play on that. So now it will zoom out really quick. So if you want to slow that down, you can do that again. Move it along to there, and then start again. And as you can see, it's nice and slow. You can do whatever you want with this. Now, to give it a bit more of a secret sauce, as they say, press on the left hand corner, which then gives you this pane at the bottom, which gives you these lines. So what you want to do is press on your diamond, and then press on one of the other boxes on the left, so make it a bit more of a circle, make it a bit easier. So we'll do that, and do it on the others as well, so it's not so choppy then when you zoom in and zoom out. So now you'll see as it zooms in and zooms out, it's a bit more softer, and it'll zoom out nice and soft. So it makes it a bit better. So I hope this example helped you, and if you've got any comments of any other examples you'd like me to do, just put them in the comments below, and I'll see if I can put another video together. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll be seeing you next time.